A spacious and well-maintained 4+1 bedroom brick home situated on a corner lot within the sought-after Highland Creek neighbourhood of Toronto. Welcome to 376A Morrish Road. Featuring an attached garage, a stone interlocking driveway and walkway, as well as front garden beds, the enclosed front entrance opens into a spacious ceramic tiled foyer and reception area. And immediately to the right are the open concept formal entertaining spaces. The turret-shaped wall of the living room has 3 windows capturing the natural light from an east-facing exposure, while an elegant light fixture accented with a ceiling medallion brings ambient brightness to the dining area. Both of these lovely entertaining spaces are finished with hardwood flooring, which can also be seen in the main level family room and den, as well as throughout the upper level. The kitchen, its breakfast area, and the family room all enjoy a west-facing exposure, while the kitchen area has the additional brightness of pot lights and modern light fixtures. Finished with ceramic flooring, the modern workspace of the kitchen features wood cabinetry with molded uppers, granite counters and a ceramic backsplash, as well as a stainless steel double undermount sink and appliances including dishwasher, stove with dual ovens, and fridge with bottom mount freezer. Decorative chair rail adds a finishing touch in the breakfast area, which has the walkout to a nicely sized backyard which is fully fenced, has a storage shed, gardening beds, and an interlocking patio area. A short side hall leads into the family room, where casual entertaining and family time can be enjoyed by the warmth of a gas fireplace surrounded by floor-to-ceiling brick. And this warm and inviting space also has its own walkout to the backyard. To complete the main level, to the left of the foyer is a double coat closet, access to the garage, a storage closet, a powder room, as well as a spacious den. And curving gracefully to the upper level is an oak hardwood staircase and railing, above which is a skylight, while an elegant chandelier casts its light throughout the upper landing and the main level's foyer. This level features 4 spacious bedrooms, 2 5-piece washrooms, and a hallway linen closet. The main washroom features a ceramic tiled floor and bath area, as well as a vanity with plenty of storage and double basins, and is shared amongst the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th bedrooms, all which have ceiling fans and double closets, while the 4th bedroom additionally features a turret-shaped wall with 3 east-facing windows. Through a double-door entry is the master bedroom, which is quite gracious in its size, has space for a sitting area, and enjoys a west-facing exposure. A short hall leads to its ensuite washroom, and off this hall is a large walk-in closet, and the washroom is complete with ceramic finishes throughout, a soaker tub and a separate shower area with glass door, as well as a wall-to-wall vanity with double basins. Across from the dining room entry is the staircase to the fully finished lower level. Offering exceptional family and entertaining space, this level also has great storage, including 3 separate closets with shelving, storage space under the staircase, as well as a large room with a double-door entry and ceramic flooring that also houses the laundry area. In addition, this level has a 3-piece washroom with ceramic finishes, a shower area, and a vanity with granite counter, a spacious bedroom with laminate flooring, a mirrored door closet, and a ceiling fan, as well as a generously sized recreation and games room with laminate flooring and pot lighting. Walking distance to a public and a Catholic school, a public library, places of worship, and public transit. This home is also close to University of Toronto and Centennial College campuses, the Toronto Pan Am Sports Centre, shops and services, as well as numerous parks, and has quick, easy access to Highway 401.